Hi guys, it's Mike here with Apex's problem of the day. Today we're going to be looking at this problem. And our big question is that originally we're given this unknown number n, and we know we just have a remainder 3. So the problem is presenting us information in a way that we're not used to seeing it. And what we need to do is work backwards from this to drive the core insights. So if we have a remainder of 3 on 23, this means that the chunk that isn't remainder is 20. So what can our n be in those cases that will allow us to divide out by 20 and leave this remainder 3? Well, first, we know that n has to be greater than 3, because in order to have a remainder, the amount we're dividing by has to be something greater. The moment the remainder equalizes the thing we're dividing by, of course, we get one more tick in the dividing by box, and the remainder goes back down to 0. So with 23 and a remainder of 3, our key number to look at is 20. Our factors of 20, that is the things that divide evenly into 20, are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Of course, 1 and 2 are below 3, and so they're not contenders. So we end up with n being 4, 5, 10, or 20. So for number 1, is n even? If n can be 4 but can also be 5, then we're not assured that it's even. Notice the data sufficiency problem type embedded here. So n is not necessarily even. Is n a multiple of 5? Once again, n is not, because n could be 4 or 5. Finally, is n a factor of 20? And in this case it is, because 4, 5, 10, and 20, as we just said, are all factors of that 20 that we're looking for. And so our answer here is 3 alone, answer choice A. Now, here's a more challenging problem of the same form. See if you can do it, and we're going to come back and in the next video talk about the solution and give you another problem. So if 67 is divided by some integer n, the remainder is 7. Our 3 things to look at are whether n is even, if n is a multiple of 10, or n is a factor of 120. So give this one a try and see if you can use the principles from the easier problem on this more challenging one to make sure that you actually understand what's going on. If not, rewatch this video and see if a review might allow you to answer this question. That's it for today. We'll see you tomorrow.